Welcome to Crypto News. On this channel, we will keep you updated with the most important news in the crypto market. If you are into crypto and want to make the most from this market, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'm Armin from Crypto News. Let's get started. We've been experiencing a week of green, where the market seems to receive positive signals. Today is no different. And here's a good news for macroeconomics. According to CoinDesk, the Fed will likely raise interest rate by only 15 basis points, or 0.5 percentage points, in the year's final meeting. The previous 4 hikes were for 75 basis points, or 0.75 percentage points. A 50 basis point hike will just lift short-term rates to a target range of 4.25 to 4.5%. So, what is the reason for such a less aggressive rate hike? On Wednesday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell commented that it makes sense to moderate the rate increases as they approach the sufficient restraint level to bring inflation down. The time for moderating the pace of rate increases may come as soon as December meeting. So, how did the comment of Mr. Powell affect the crypto market? As always, Bitcoin is the first to display a bullish tendency. Early on Thursday, Bitcoin was trading at about $17.1 thousand, up by more than 4% in the past 22 hours. Besides, Ethereum, the second largest digital asset, jumped even more and was up over 6% in 22 hours, trading hands for $1.287 thousand. It is more evident that the Fed will cool down the tightening, but they don't want to make it too explicit. Although it's hard to say 100%. We can expect a ramp-up in crypto prices shortly. Despite the green signal in macro or major coins, many crypto firms are still struggling with the damage of the recent downturn. For example, Kraken, currently the third largest crypto exchange, had to cut 30% of its workforce, equally to 1,100 people, to survive in the crypto winter. So, what was the reason? Kraken said, since the start of this year, macroeconomic and geopolitical factors have weighed on financial markets. This resulted in significantly lower trading volume and fewer client sign-ups. We responded by slowing hiring efforts and avoid large marketing commitments. Unfortunately, negative influences on the financial markets have continued, and we have exhausted preferable options for bringing costs in line with demand. So, what's next for the fired employees? In the same blog post, Kraken committed to handle the departures of their employees properly, including separation pay, performance bonus, immigration support, and other benefits. In addition, the exchange claimed that they have not adjusted their hiring plan and do not intend to make any layoffs. Hey, ex-Krakenites, how do you feel? And do you have any plan for the upcoming time? The situation may be awkward now, but it will surely be better. We believe that you can do it. So keep your face straight and move on. Breaking news. In an online interview with New York Times, Sam Bankman-Fried revealed much about the fall of FTX. When asked if he had committed massive fraud, Sam claimed that he clearly made many mistakes, but didn't ever try to commit fraud on anyone. However, Sam didn't provide any further information proving his innocence. Naturally, the crypto community on Twitter responded to his claim with extreme negativity. Afterward, when pushed by Solana, Sam said that he didn't knowingly commingle funds between Alameda and FTX. Given the size of the position, I think it was not our intention. It was, in effect, tied together substantially more than I would ever wanted. And these are only 2 among more than 30 questions given to Sam by host Andrew Sorkin. During the interview, Sam failed multiple times to answer the host's question or answer in a not-so-decent way. The interview may not be enough to save his image in the market sentiment. Who can make sure what he has said is true? That's why we need a government investigation into his mess at FTX and Alameda Research right now. That seems to be the only way for investors to take back their hard-earned money, though the possibility is pretty narrow.
Let's move to the good news for Solana lover. Solana rises as NFT trading increases 80% following OpenSea reveal. Solana is the biggest gainer in the top 10 today, with its price rising 12% over the past 24 hours. Why is Solana pumping so hard? It could be due to rising demand for NFTs on the platform. In addition, leading NFT marketplace OpenSea confirmed to list Solana NFT in April. The incoming addition of Solana NFT to OpenSea could expose the market to a much larger audience. According to CryptoSlam, Solana NFT trading volume is up more than 80% over the past 24 hours compared to the previous 24-hour span. Especially, some Ethereum whales are pouring funds into Solana NFT market now. An Ethereum NFT collector said that he was investing $180,000 worth of SLL to buy up the cheapest available NFTs for his collection. So, can Solana's NFT space manage to restore SLR's position in the crypto market? Breaking news for Telegram user. Telegram's founder wants to build new decentralized tool to combat power abuse. He criticized that the crypto industry was concentrated in the hand of a few to abuse their power and led to collapse of big company, with the latest name being FTX Exchange. This incident caused a big loss for investors. As a result, Telegram will develop a non-custodial crypto wallet application and a decentralized exchange that can help promote the move toward decentralization in the crypto ecosystem. This application will be built on the Open Network, the private blockchain created by the Telegram community. On the evening of November 30, the TLN Foundation, the organization behind the TLN blockchain, said that it would set aside $126 million as a crypto market relief fund to attract more projects to TLN. The value of TLN coin is increasingly slightly at that time. The CEO showed that Fragment, a fully decentralized auction platform that operates on the Open Network, achieved an amazing success with $50 million worth of usernames sold there in less than a month. So, can Telegram's enormous community push the crypto product to great success? The final news is the exciting information about Uniswap. Uniswap, the decentralized exchange with the largest volume on Ethereum, announced that it has acquired marketplace platform NFT Genie to increase the number of products on offer. Accordingly, Uniswap will integrate the NFT trading function into its web interface. Unlike an individual NFT marketplace, the Uniswap aggregator allows users to view listings from OpenSea, LookRare, FTX, and others all at once. According to Uniswap representative, this acquisition will have no impact on other Uniswap products, project governance, or Uni token. Genie would also remain accessible until the new Uniswap NFT experience was available. In addition, Uniswap is airdropping $5 million to some early Genie airdroppers to celebrate the cooperation. It seems that the crash market is a chance for the giant to expand their product through acquisition agreements. Thus, OpenSea port Gem, Genie's rival, while platforms such as Rarible have also introduced aggregators. So, that's the end of today's video. Share your thoughts in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'm Leila from the Crypto News. See you in the next video. Goodbye!